Today I'm going to be unboxing a Carthartt lunchbox that I got from Amazon. And there's a lot of choices in Amazon, but my husband likes the small ones, or fairly small ones, so I got this one. Carthartt has like 3 types of lunch boxes, but the others were too big, so I got this one. It's fairly small. And I also got some, bags for sandwiches, because he likes to bring sandwiches, and we use too much Ziploc, so I got this reusable Ziplocs. So it comes with 6, and I think I paid $1 for each of this because it's $6 and there's 6. So they're big enough for like 2 sandwiches, and you can fold them and then you can rewash them. They're fairly thick. And they're water. So I got that, and then this is the main thing, the Carthartt. So let's open it. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So there you go. So it comes with this logo in the front, and then the back has the big Carthartt, and it expands a little bit. You can see it's like, let me see, probably like 5 inches thick, and it's made with really tough material. And there's the handle, and let me see the specs. There you go. It's a rain defender, durable, water repellent, and then fully insulated interior. Let's open it. So the inside is pretty simple. You could fit like a soda in here. My husband just like a sandwich, so I'm gonna put the sandwich. See, a sandwich. It's not really very big. You could probably fit like a 2 soda and a sandwich and a chip in here. Let me show you an example. So if you have like a So you could like fit a Red Bull, and if this one, a Mountain Dew, you could fit that as well, and then put like a sandwich in here, like 2 sandwiches, and that's what we really just need. We don't need something very big. And just want to show you how it looks like, and I'm very pleased with the purchase. Hope my husband likes it as well. So hope that helps, and I'm gonna be unboxing or showing you another type of Carthartt bag in the next video, so just watch out for that. Thank you for watching. Bye.